driving in loafers, moccasin loafers. I'm driving the same car, the GAC Motors R Sports R Style M Zoom 3 in my loafers. Okay, let's go, go, go. It's a gloomy day here in the province. Yeah. So, ito pala yung isang feature ng sasakyan. May camera siya inside. Kita ang rear at front. And even the driver. So, diba, nakikita niya yung cellphone doon. Ayan. At ito yung panel, infotainment niya. Hindi siya masyadong white. Hanggang dyan lang. Tapos yung may CarPlay, merong Bluetooth and USB, and then ano pang meron? Ano pang meron dyan? Ito. Yan. May different apps na pwede yung gamitin, provided na your phones or your smartphones are connected. Madali namang i-connect eh. Basta alam nyo na yun. Hanapin nyo lang muna yung Bluetooth, o kung naka iPhone kayo, connect nyo lang yung plug or yung ito lang, Apple CarPlay. Yun nga lang, pag gamit nyo yung Apple CarPlay nyo, hindi kayo makakapag-internet. So, disabled siya. Kasi na-monitor niya yung movement. So, for safe driving, hindi pinapatay automatic ng iPhone ang inyong internet settings. You cannot play YouTube or anything. Yan lang mga stored or downloaded music ang pwede. Spotify, I think pwede Spotify. So I'm now wearing my loafers, black. Ito na yung driving in loafers ko na video. Diba? Parang ang boring ko naman. Wala akong masabi. So that's it for now. I hope you like my another video, driving video in my loafers. Until next time, bye.